Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check if someone on Snapchat is on another call. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. What you want to do is open up your Snapchat, and from there go to your chats. And then you want to click on the person you potentially want to call or have a video call. And as you can see at the top right, you have the call and the video call options. Now, if this person was in a call, it would show up right there and also under their profile, and you wouldn't be able to call them since they're already in a call or a video call. But you can always click on the phone action to call them, and maybe they will answer you, put you on hold or whatever. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.